got 40 speakers in here, dude. See the backs when they open?
It looks nice. Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I want you in and I still don't know why I love it so much.
I'm starting to stink a little bit. I've been hitting pretty hard. But it does every once in a while.
Yeah. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Jerry.
Okay.
Jerry Laterio. I got 40 speakers in here, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you see the backs when they open?
It looks nice. Yeah. Really good job. So what all, like, your equipment, amps, subwoofers, power, battery?
These are DC level 6s.
Okay.
18s. I got two of them, one there, one at the bottom. Okay. And then I got, for power, I got two, my sub amps are DS18 Hooligan AKs.
Okay. Yep.
And then I got 5 highs amps, all DS18 EXL.
Wow. Did you build this?
Yeah, me and my buddies.
Nice job. I like you got a little bit of space behind the seat instead of right at the B pillar.
I put this in because I didn't want the window to break.
Window to break, yeah.
Or my buddies.
Yeah. So going from a wall to a no wall to a wall, can you tell anything different besides? I know it got louder, more pressure.
It's just closer.
Closer.
I mean, if it's full volume, because I only went up to 26 there, and I can go up to 32.
32.
But the screen will fucking flash on and off, and sometimes turn off.
Yeah. Yeah,
from
because
the pressure.
The pressure, yeah.
Yeah.
Did you do any SPL burps on here yet, just to see?
We finished it about a month ago, and then we're in the garage and we pulled it out in the yard, and I put a meter on the dash on just with music. I haven't burped it or anything to find out. I did a 52.7 on the dash sealed, and then I rolled the window down and did a 54.7 on music.
Big jump. Yep.
So,
what was the frequency on it?
Probably about 30, 32.
Yeah.
I want to find out the peak, and then I'm going to really burp it to see what I get.
Yeah. Still learning your system, so yeah, man.
I'm hoping it's a 55 sealed on the dash, maybe a 57 in the kick.
Oh, that's possible, yeah. You better both windows down or one up, or
it don't matter.
You curse my name, but I still don't know why I love it so much. Yeah. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this space with you. I just can't crack your code. One day you're screaming you love me loud, the next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there, one day.
Nobody.
Yeah, one more? One more? Yeah, another song, something.
I gotta go to
That's pretty punchy. It sounds really low too. It doesn't fall off at all. I like that. 30.